bono service changes lives when you heed the call. Walton Davis, nominated for the 2013 William L. Thorpe Pro Bono Service Award. Since 1991, when he began volunteering through the MAVL program, Walton has donated 256 hours and closed 60 cases.
MAVL clients and lawyers are a good fit. The clients need help and they want help. They're calling in here for help, and we know how to help them. So when a MAVL lawyer and a client get together, good things happen. Some of the good things that happen to me include I get positive feedback. MAVL clients act like they act like they like me. And I know that I've got a vibrant, engaging personality that people find very attractive. But even Bill Christie tells me that his MAVL clients like him. I learned something about what it's like to live without resources, and this makes the work engaging. Like it's pretty bracing to learn from a client, who's preoccupied with a notice from the IRS that the client's about to lose shelter, or has been out of work for months, or needs to see a doctor and has no health insurance. So, these are reasons why I think a MAVL client and a lawyer are good for each other.
Esther Manheimer, nominated for the 2013 William L. Thorpe Pro Bono Service Award. Since 2002, when she began volunteering through the MAVL program, Esther has donated 307 hours and closed 5 cases.
I think the primary reason for doing pro bono work is because there are people that need it. And you get a call asking for help, and you know that you have expertise in the area that you're being called about, otherwise they wouldn't have picked you. And I think there is an obligation on all attorneys to provide pro bono legal services in the area they know. And everyone needs to be able to enjoy needed legal service from competent lawyers. And that's the primary reason I do it.
In one case, Esther heeded the call by reforming a defective deed, which allowed the client to continue living in the home that passed to her after her mother died intestate. Emily Nenny, nominated for the 2013 Younger Lawyer Pro Bono Service Award. Since 2011, when she began volunteering through the MAVL program, Emily has donated 78 hours.
Well, there's many ways that you can contribute to the community blindly. You can donate money and things like that. But there's really no better feeling than giving your time and looking someone in the eye and helping them directly, especially because you might see yourself in them, or you might have been having the same problem at some point. So it's just an incredible feeling to help someone that you can relate to and that you understand. Especially as a young attorney, it gives you the opportunity to hone your skills, especially while learning from other mentor attorneys in the community. Pisgah has done a great job of matching me up with people that always point me in the right direction for what I need, and it's just an amazing amount of learning.
Emily heeded the call by helping a homeless woman recover thousands of dollars in disability benefits that had been misappropriated. Douglas Tate, nominated for the 2013 William L. Thorpe Pro Bono Service Award. Since 2005, when he began volunteering through the MAVL program, Doug has closed 8 cases for the landlord-tenant and foreclosure prevention teams.
Well, it's really pretty easy. I consider myself one of the lucky ones. And I've been very, very fortunate, and my faith teaches me that to those who have been given much, much is expected. And as a result, I think it's important to give back. It's a lesson that my dad taught. God knows. It's a lesson my dad taught me and my brothers. I've been very, very fortunate to have been put through law school by my mom and dad, and they taught us by example. And it's nothing that we were told to do, and nothing that we were admonished to do in any way. It was just something that my mom and dad did as a matter of course. And so as a lawyer, we have opportunities that a lot of people don't have to help other people, to serve other people, and that's basically our job anyway. But when you do it for those who can't do it for themselves, or don't know where to turn, or just have, they've made a misstep or a bad decision, and they find themselves generally in a system that they never thought they'd ever get caught up in before, that being the justice system. Sometimes they need just somebody to hold their hand. Sometimes they just need a bit of encouragement, and know that there's somebody there who cares, who wants to make sure that their rights are taken care of, and that there's going to be somebody to be there to protect them in this big action, whatever it is, whether it's a landlord-tenant action or a foreclosure action. They just want to know that there's somebody there who cares, and that somebody is going to help them make sure they don't get overrun.
Attorneys who heed the call to service. Attorneys who change lives.